Good morning. Today I'm going to fix some peppermint tea from my garden. It's just tiny, a little bucket garden wood. But I'm going to wash our peppermint, make sure it's clean. This is organic. I don't put any pesticides, so should be safe. But I always clean it because you might have some pollens and everything. Some people are allergic with pollen, so just wash it. And this is good to go. All you have to do is you can boil some water and put it in a cup and put the peppermint. And don't put it too long. 3 minutes is good enough. We're gonna prepare our peppermint. Our peppermint. I'm using my Lee's Art and Design. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So we're doing DIY peppermint tea. I put like 8 leaf in here because if you put too much it's too strong, so 8 leaf is good enough. Let's enjoy our peppermint tea. So water is done boiling, so we're gonna put the water in. And wait for 3 minutes or 4. Don't let it sit too long because it will be overpowering. It's strong. So the rest of my peppermint that I pick, I'm gonna put it in a bag. And save it for later, for tomorrow. Ziploc bag. So it's ready. See, it's already green. So it's ready. I'm just gonna take it off.